What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everyone's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at $1.03, down 3% on the day. Sitting a market cap of 8.66 billion. 24-hour volume 483 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, grab up to 8K in bonuses. This is where I do the majority of my trading, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Sign up to either or, takes 2 seconds. Email me your sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the price of Matic. So what we're looking at is potentially going through a corrective structure, WXYXZ. Now, if we were to push higher here and break this high, then potentially what you could look at is that we pushed up in a wave 3. And then potentially that was your wave 4, and you're still looking to push up in a wave 5, because we can take a measurement here from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3, and that came right down to, very close to the 0.5. So it is possible that this is a wave 4 pullback, and then you've pushed up in a wave 1 to the upside. This is a wave 2, and then you see a 3, 4, 5. To complete a wave 5 for Matic and potentially complete a wave 1. That is if we do see continuation to the upside and we start to break out. We did break out of this small pattern here, this small symmetrical triangle. We broke out and then we came back down rather swiftly. Just retesting right now. So if it were to push to the upside, then that little push could take you up here to about $1.08. So that's what I'm watching closely here for Matic. I do think the 5-wave move is close to completion, whether it's right now and we start to break down, or if we're still looking to put in a wave 5 to complete the wave 1. I do think we're close to completion, but if we do break down from here, then I would look for a bounce in between 0.799 and 0.88. As we can see here, if we look in the daily time frame, we could be forming a big head and shoulders pattern. Of course, this doesn't have to play out, but it is something to watch. We also have a double top. As we continuously get rejected, the bulls continue to push the price up, and we're continuing to see rejection candles. The bears are pushing it right back down with the double top. So if we were to come down and break this neckline, that will take you all the way down to about 82 cents. So of course you can wait for confirmation. There's a good chance that the price can go either way. We have divergences, bearish divergences. So pullback looks a little bit more likely, but I do think we may see a little bit more push up in the market in the short term. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll see Matic push up a little bit more before rolling over and seeing that larger pullback, in my opinion. We'll have to see how it plays out. ETH, same thing. It could be that we're going through an ABC correction. There is a possibility that this is the wave 3 right here. We've just pulled back in a wave 4, and you're still looking to push up in the wave 5 to complete the wave 3, and then you would see the pullback into the wave 4. That is a possibility that I'm watching for, as well as we have seen a nice push over the last few days. For the price of Ethereum, it could be that it's an overshooting wave B, but it does look like, if we kind of zoom in here, let me see, let me grab my brush quickly. 1, 2, I mean, you could count it as a 5-wave move, but I see it more as a 3-wave move right now. But that doesn't mean it won't turn into a 5-wave move to complete that wave 5. So that is something to watch out for. Currently, we are just consolidating in this range here, so we'll drop in some trend lines. Looks like you got a little bit of a descending triangle with these wicks here, and we're coming close to the apex. So just wait for this pattern to break, give you confirmation whether you want a long or short. I do think the pullback is coming shortly. We have divergences on the 4-hour, as well as we're overbought on the daily with divergences. If we pop over to this chart here, you can see it better. As you can see, we're pushing higher, creating lower highs on the RSI. That doesn't mean price will turn around. It's just indications that the move is losing strength. So even if we do push up a little bit higher here, I think we'd push up to this level of resistance at about 1780. And then potentially consolidate and roll over and start to see that larger wave 2 pullback. I do think that's coming shortly. Just my opinion and not financial advice, as I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So I'll be watching this breakout closely for Matic. We have broken out of this triangle. So when New York trading hours open, If we can continue to push up and break these highs, then what I'd be looking at here is that this was a completion of a wave 3. We pull back in a wave 4, looking to push up in a wave 5. However, if we do roll over and start to break down and lose this triangle, then what I would look at is that this 5-wave move is already complete and all of this is corrective, and we're looking to pull back in that wave 2. All right, gang, currently we are in a trade on the Discord that I dropped the signal for. It's only 10 USD per month for my signals, early access to my analysis, which is posted daily, news updates, as well as you can see how the members are doing with their own trades, my HODL alt plays. All chat rooms are free. If you sign up to either Bybit or Bitget, you can get completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And all you have to do is email me or sign up email to one of the exchanges. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.